welcome back. Welcome back to all of you, beta. Now, next fifth reaction is there that we are going to do. See again, I am taking here Rx. Okay, now here I am taking. Now I am giving the reaction with the amino group, or I am doing the substitution with the amino group. Okay, now you see, I am taking the ammonia here. Okay, this ammonia can be written like this way also. Just see all of you, H and the NH2. Then what to do there beta here in this case? Just remember, H is positive, NH2 is negative. Here R is positive, X is negative. So HX will be removed. So what is left there? R NH2 plus HX. Is that clear beta? Like this way only we are forming over there. Okay, but just remember one thing. But sometime when we are taking the haloalkane in the excess, then what is going to happening over there? You must see all of you. It is also a very important reaction. Okay, you see please all of you. Suppose here I am taking CH3 CH2Br, and here CH3 CH2 NH2. Now तो you are knowing very well what to form there. क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? Yes, tell me. हाँ, यहाँ पर बेटा हमारे पास ये CH3 CH2 and this one will be combined. ये बन जाएगा CH2 CH3 CH2 twice. Okay, NH plus HBr. बेटा यहाँ से एक H आएगा, एक H will, one H will go from there and will combine with the this Br. Okay, and this is called secondary amine. What do you call it? Secondary amine. After that, after making the secondary amine, we will use it further. Again I am writing CH3 CH2Br. What we have formed in the previous one, क्या बनाया था हमने? CH3 CH2 twice NH. This is the secondary amine. Now here, tell me what will be formed there. Here 2 is this one, 1 is this one. So it will form CH3 CH2 thrice. Then after that N plus HBr. Okay, this is called tertiary amine. What do you call it beta? Yeah, you may call it tertiary amine. Is that clear? Now after that, same way, this tertiary amine we can use it further. We can use it further. Then CH3 CH2Br plus CH3 CH2 thrice, then N. Okay, then what we are using over there? CH3 CH2 4, then here is N positive, Br negative. Okay, but this is called quaternary amine. What do you call it? Quaternary amine. And student, when we are making this amine one by one, this is also, these all, when we are making primary amine, then secondary amine, then tertiary amine, then quaternary amine, this full reaction is called Hofmann ammonolysis. Reaction. What do you call it? Hofmann ammonolysis reaction. Understood all of you? Okay, student. Now next one is here, number 6, that we are going to do. Number 6 is here again. Haloalkane is here. Now I am going to do the reaction with the nitrite group, means with the KNO2. And this KNO2 we can write like this way also. Just see all of you. Means here is K positive, then O negative, N double bond O. Okay, this is called potassium nitrite, and when we are heating it, you see R positive, X negative, and here we are getting RONO plus KX. And what will be its name? This is known as alkyl nitrite. Okay, what do you call it? Alkyl nitrite. Okay, then after that same way beta, these reactions are very simple. Number 7, in the 7 we have the replacement with the nitro group, and when nitro group is there, see RX plus AgNO2, then what to do there? It becomes RNO2 plus AgX. Then question arises again beta, its name is nitroalkane. Then question arises that with the AgNO2 we are getting nitroalkane, but with the KNO2 we are getting alkyl nitrite. Okay, oh yes or no? Then after that, see all of you, this question that we have to discuss over here. Okay, very important question is here. What is that question? That when RX is treated with the KNO2, what we are getting? RONO, alkyl nitrite. But when RX is treated with the AgNO2, what we are getting? We are getting RNO2. Question arises why? That only I am going to explain you now. Okay, please all of you listen very carefully. Clear? What is going to happening over there? But just remember one thing again, that NO2 negative is also a ambidentate ligand. What is it? Yeah, it is known as a ambidentate ligand. So it can attack from the nitrogen also and from the oxygen also. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the KNO2 beta, KNO2 is a ionic compound, A positive NO2 negative. Clear? It is an ionic compound. Then what is going to happening over there? You must see, all of you. See, when I am writing there RX, okay, here I am writing A positive, then ONO, okay, ONO, and here it is a negative charge. So what is going to happening over there? R is containing positive charge, X is containing negative charge. Okay, so negative charge on the oxygen is a attacking site. Here, this negative charge on the oxygen is a attacking site. Then alkyl halide, this is the positive sign. So this O negative will attack where? To the R positive. Clear? That is why it will form RONO plus KX. Same way on the other side, we are having a AgNO2. What is it? Beta ji, AgNO2 is a covalent compound. It is a covalent compound. क्या है ये? Means इसकी structure कैसे होती है? You can see AgO, then N double bond O, and here is I am writing RX. R is containing positive charge, X is containing negative charge. Okay beta? Oh, is that clear? AgO को bond क्या है आपके पास? Covalent bond है. तो here in this case, this oxygen is not having any negative charge. No negative charge. यहाँ पर कोई negative charge हमारे पास नहीं है. तो nucleophile attack will occur through the lone pair of the nitrogen atom. Occur through the lone pair of the nitrogen atom. On this nitrogen, there is one lone pair. Okay, and this lone pair will give its electron to the R positive. Okay, so that is why there will be the RNO2. Fine. Alkyl nitroalkane will be formed. What we are going to form? We are going to form the nitroalkane. Understood all of you? My point? Okay. Now student, you see next reaction is here. Reaction number 8, that is substitution by carboxyl group. Now it's very easy. and I hope you all are getting my points. What I am going to tell you over here, Rx I have written there, RCOOAG, and just remember one thing, that RCOO negative is a carboxyl group. Okay, in the presence of C2H5OH, here R is positive, X is negative, so it will become RCOOR plus AgX. And what we are getting over there? We are getting over there esters. Clear? Oh, what we are forming over there? We are forming the esters over there. Same way, after that, reaction number 9. Reaction number 9. In the reaction number 9, you see Rx is there, R positive, X negative. And here, in this case, we are using the hydrosulfide group. What we are using? Hydrosulfide. Na positive. Here SH negative. Here SH negative is a nucleophile. Oh, SH negative is a nucleophile, which is called hydrosulfide. In the presence of alcohol. And what we are getting over there then, sorry, but R is positive here. RSH plus NaX. And RSH is known as thioalcohol. What do you call it? Thioalcohol. Clear? Same way, after that, number 10, substitution reaction is there. One more reaction we can done with the sulfite group. With the sulfite group, you see Rx plus Na positive, Sr negative. Okay, this R can be, beta ji, this R can be same or different. ये वाली R can be same to this one or it can be different, that depend upon you. Now again, in the presence of alcohol and the water, I think it's very clear, R positive, X negative. ये क्या बन जाएगा? RSR plus NaX. बेटा RSR is known as a thioether. RSR is known as a thioether. Is that clear to you? To all? Okay. Now after that, number 11. ये ध्यान रखना जी, जितनी भी रिएक्शन है, इट्स कमिंग इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट ओनली. ओके, substitution by azide group. What is azide? Means again I am writing Rx plus, here I am writing Na positive, N3 negative. R is positive, here X is negative. What I am getting? Again the presence of C2H5OH oblique water. And what I am getting there? Rn3 plus NaX. This is called alkyl azide. What do you call it? Alkyl azide. Okay, this one we are going to form over there. Student, last one है हमारे पास, that is very important. Usually it is used in a conversion. Okay, that is with the alkyl group. Alkyne means triple bond will be there, YL, alkyl group. And usually this reaction we are using to form the higher alkyne. ठीक है? In the conversions further we will do there Rx, R positive, X negative, and here I am using, see, Na positive, C triple bond C, here it is R. I think you all understood what I am going to do there now. See, this whole will be the negative charge. This is now nucleophile, then it will become RC triple bond Cr plus NaX. But you see, all of you, what we are getting over there? We are getting a higher alkyne. What we are getting there? Higher alkyne. Why higher alkyne? Here 1, 2, 3. 1 R and 2 carbon. Here 2 R will be there. So number of carbons are going to be increased. Okay, students. So with that one only, we have just completed the first reaction, but its mechanism is also there in the syllabus. that we will do in the next video. Thank you very much to all of you. God bless you.